Good afternoon, students. I am your social teacher Nageshri ma'am. Today I am going to teach you 10th class first lesson India Relief Futures. Before going to Relief Futures, we must know the location of India. Observe this map. Everything you can understand about the India. First, let's see the globe. India is located in the northern hemisphere. Already you studied in your 8th class, 7th class, even 3rd class also. Globe divided into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So our India is located in the northern hemisphere and it is the 7th largest country in the world. First largest country, Russia, Canada, America, China, Brazil, Australia and India. Remember this code, you can remember all the countries. First biggest country, Russia, Canada, America, China, Brazil, Australia and India. So India is the 7th largest country and India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Now Jammu Kashmir divided into 2 union territories, that is Kashmir and Ladakh. Observe these 9 union territories. I will show you in the map. First, Delhi, Chandigarh, Kashmir, Ladakh, Diu Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Now total area of India. The total area of India 32,87,263 square kilometers, or you can write down 3.28 million square kilometers. Next, north to south. The total area of India from north to south 3,214 kilometers. Next, east to west 2,933 kilometers. Note down this one. The total area of India 32,87,263 square kilometers or 3.28 million square kilometers. Next, from north to south 3,214 kilometers from north to south. From east to west 2,933 kilometers. Next, boundaries. Let's see the boundaries of India. North we know Himalayas, south Indian Ocean, east Bay of Bengal, west Arabian Sea. But you remember the boundary countries also. Observe here, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. So Bangladesh has most area boundary of India 4,096 kilometers. The boundary area of Bangladesh from India to Bangladesh. Next one, coastal area. So this is the coastal area. So what is meant by coastal area? The area which is near to the oceans or seas, we called it coastal area. So this is the coastal area. The coastal area of India 6,100 kilometers, including Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands 7,517 kilometers. Now done all of you. The total area of India 32,87,263 square kilometers. From north to south 3,214 kilometers. The area from east to west 2,933 kilometers. Land frontier area from other countries 15,200 kilometers. Coastal line 6,100 kilometers, including Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands 7,517 kilometers. Now, Indian Standard Time. So this is the Indian Standard Time. So one meridian take out as a local time to all the country. We called it Indian Standard Time. So let's see what is the Indian Standard Time. 82.5 degree eastern longitude. So this is 82 degrees 30 seconds eastern longitude. It is passing through the 5 states. Let's see. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So Indian Standard Time is passing through the 5 states. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It is very important. Note down. Next, 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer passing through the middle part of India, and it divides the India into 2 equal parts, north part and south part. Let's see. This is the 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer. It is passing through the 8 states. Let's see. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So this is Tropic of Cancer. How many degrees? 23.5 degree north Tropic of Cancer. Again remember, observe Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Note down this one. Tropic of Cancer passing through the 8 states. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. It is very important because they will ask you for 1 mark question and also 2 marks questions. Next, Indian Standard Time. How many degrees? 82.5 degree. We can write down like this. 82 degrees 30 seconds. IST. Indian Standard Time. 82 degrees 30 seconds. It is ahead of 5.5 degree ahead of Greenwich Meridian. We know prime meridian in the world. So it is passing through the London. Our Indian Standard Time is 5.5 degree ahead of the London. Understood? So observe this, ma'am. So next class I'll explain about the India Relief Futures. After watching this video, complete the homeworks.